information for you. Okay, so before we get started, if you notice that I'm talking into the camera from this angle, it's because I got a pimple on this side, so I'm gonna shift this way. All right, anyway, what I'm talking about today is lots, specifically lot sales. So I just purchased the lot next door to my house, and I know I said in my first video that I was gonna do that a long time ago, but I didn't know what to do with the lot, so I was like, I don't want to have it and have to maintain it and not have an idea of, you know, how to really use it. So I'm gonna just wait for a little bit till I figure it out. But then I was like, no, I need to go ahead and jump on this now, because the Detroit Land Bank just came out with a program. It's called the Neighborhood Lot Program, and I'll get into that later. But basically, I wanted to go ahead and get my lot before somebody snatched it up from me. So I'll tell you guys how to do it. You know, I like to try to make it as easy as possible for you, but this is not hard at all. I mean, you know, I'm gonna go through the steps anyway, but it's really simple. So what I'm talking about is specifically is side lot. So if you have a property already, you can purchase a lot that's adjacent to you, or, you know, next to your property for $100. And all you have to do is go to the website, and that's buildingdetroit.org, same website, and then make a purchase, which is on the top right, I believe, and then underneath that tab you go to side lots, and then you enter the address, or you can enter your property address or the lot address. Now, I knew my lot was available, but once I entered my property address, I kind of thought like, well, maybe it's not available because it didn't show up. I don't know why it didn't show up, but what I had to do was get the exact lot address from the land bank, and then I was able to pull up the property that way, or pull up the lot that way. So I would recommend doing that. Sometimes the lot, even though it's next to you, it might not come up just from your property address alone. You'll need the actual lot address. So once you find that piece of information out, all you have to do is apply for the lot. They'll ask you some questions. They'll ask you what your address is to your property, and then they'll ask you some other things, and also what are your intentions with the property for the I keep saying property, I'm sorry. They'll ask you what are your intentions for the lot. They'll ask you what are your intentions for the lot. If you know what you're gonna do with the lot already, you can go ahead and tell them. I just told them that it's gonna be an extension of my yard, because I have no idea what I'm doing with it yet, and they accepted that. They, you know, accepted my application, even though they said it would take like up to 10 days. By the next day, they sent me an email stating that I have been approved, and that's that. So like I said, really easy. Now it's okay, the way my area is set up, I have my house, a vacant lot, the one that I just purchased, another vacant lot, and then another property that someone snatched up. And I'm so sad because I was gonna snatch it up, but anyway, I digress. So what I want to do is I'm trying to purchase the lot next to my lot as well, and they told me that I could wait next month. So that was in October. It's now November 1st. So you can only purchase one lot per month. So technically today I could go and purchase the second lot if it's still available, which I'm actually gonna look into once I finish this YouTube video. And don't come for me about purchasing their lot, because I had intentions on purchasing that lot before these people even got into this house. So it's like whoever gets to the lot first, that's who's getting it. So I'm fingers crossed I get that lot too. All right, so that's how that works with the side lot. So the next area is called the neighborhood lot. So this is the new program that I was talking about in the beginning. This is why I went ahead and snatched up the lot so quickly, because if you own a property and it's a vacant lot that's within 500 feet from your property, you can snatch that up too. So basically it's any lot that's in your like direct neighborhood, you can go ahead and grab. And that being said, all of the lots aren't necessarily in the system yet. So you guys know, like if you've worked with the land bank, sometimes they can be a bit slow with uploading stuff. So if you try to look for this, if you try to look for a lot and it's not there, it's possible that, you know, they just didn't add it to the system yet. But the way you do that is you use the same website and you go to make a purchase, and then you go up under neighborhood lots, and then you of course type in the hopefully you get the address of the lot. That way, you know, it'll be easier to purchase. So these lots are $250. That's it. So those are your two options for vacant lots. Let me know, you know, down in the comments if you were able to utilize this neighborhood lot program, because I only have experience with the side lot program so far. It's not I don't think it's any other vacant lots on my block, but I'm just particularly interested in the ones right next to me. But I don't know what I'm gonna do with it yet, so I need your help in the comment section. Let me know, what should I do with the lot that I have? And again, fingers crossed, if I get the other lot, it's right in the middle of the neighborhood. So like when you're making suggestions, keep that in mind. It's like in the middle of the neighborhood, and it's in between two houses. So I don't know. Okay, that's it. Leave some questions in the comments below if you have them. I try my best to, as you know, make sure I answer everything. I want to make sure you guys are good. I want to make sure that you don't have to reach out to the land bank as much as if you don't have to. So I'm here to help. But all I ask is to like and subscribe. That's it. That's it. All right, guys, I'm out. I'll let you guys know when I have more juicy information for you. Bye.